Hello everybody. Today is an unusual video. We're gonna make a review in our gallery. Today, not so long time ago, we ordered an image, but this image is actually unusual image. It's image of this kelpies. Yeah.
It's custom picture.
Image of this kelpies, but it's a diamond painting. And today we're opening a special order for us, what came from one very known and famous company. How this company is called?
TheDiamondDen.
TheDiamondDen. So we get this image from them, and today we're opening and have a look how it's looking this image. Woohoo! You see? It's made on a soft, amazing canvas, and first time see that kind of quality, and this is absolutely stunning. Do you want that I will open it?
Mm-hmm. Wow.
That's how looking this canvas. I will gonna wrap it other side so it will be open more properly. Wow, that's interesting. Here it is, canvas. What is gonna be made in diamonds.
That's looking amazing.
And this, for this is going as well interesting thing. Everything is inside. Here is how many diamonds in?
45 colors.
45 colors. Woo! That's what is going. That's a box.
No, this is extra. This
Tray.
is...
Another tray.
Wow.
Something interesting. What is inside? Need to have a look. Oh, third tray. Fourth tray. And starting. These all colors will gonna be here on this image. To be honest, I'm not gonna do this because I will and choke it to the bin. This we're gonna do, and person who's staying behind the camera. So that's what you're getting. Nice, amazing quality
that's
of
beautiful.
The canvas. There is something else inside. Need to have a look.
I think it's AB. Yeah, it's this ABs. The
Blue.
gold one.
Yep, blue and orange. Look, they are glittery.
Wow.
That's gonna be some interesting project in this as well, with glitter.
I think this one is for the kelpies.
Yep, I think yes. That's gonna be an interesting project. That's it. Nothing else anymore. Let's open it. This what's here. As I'm interested. Oh, nice.
Beautiful.
TheDiamondDen. That's a dazzle your way. You can order every your images on TheDiamondDen. This is my own image.
I think this is
Been
UK.
taken long time ago with DSLR camera.
UK based.
Yeah, they are UK based, and every of your images in high quality can be ordered from this company. Some kind of double-sided tape, I think.
Washi tape, 4 sides.
Yeah? Alright. Candies! Another candy. for 2 of us.
No, this is all mine.
Okay.
I will be greedy.
Okay. And some kind of wax. I don't know what's this.
It's I think glue.
No, it looks like wax.
That's
Okay.
very soft canvas.
Yeah, but canvas itself, amazing quality.
First time see like this canvas.
Yep. Looking nice. We will gonna do next time video already with update how Cheshire gonna do it this image. It's gonna be in parts because here is a lots of different colors, and when she gonna make it this canvas, we're gonna show this in images. So after this video it's gonna be another video already how it will be made. So subscribe to our channel for more further videos. Thumbs, like. For today we are done. Have a good day and bye bye.